Hi, welcome to my shop. I want to do an unboxing today of what you get within the D-Way hollower. Ordered the hollower. I ordered it on a Tuesday. It came on either Thursday or Friday, so it was very quick. So very happy with that. But it comes in one box, and I wanted to open it up and show you what comes in the box and what to expect when you get the hollower from D-Way. So what you get. Obviously wrapped fairly well to keep it from getting damaged in shipping. You got a couple business cards from D-Way itself. You get it's an advertisement. Looks like for what the tools have, whether it's the bowl gouges, the grinding wheels, the sharpening widget, or the handles. Gives you a little idea of what's in their portfolio. Let's see, probably the receipt. You got a receipt. Here is, you have the sharpening widget, which looks like two pieces of machined aluminum with tightening screws so that you can put the sharpening the blade in there, pinch it, and then be able to sharpen it. It looks to be fairly well made, machined aluminum. Okay. Let's see, you get an Allen wrench, so obviously probably tighten a bit. You get two of the spring thickness gauges. These are used to basically tell how much thickness is left in the actual blade itself. So you get two of those. They've got little ridges on the back end, obviously, so when you tighten it, it holds fairly well. It might be pretty hard to see, but those are on there. Let's see, some more packing material, and then the actual hollower itself. It looks to be fairly well made. It's got a nice ergonomic grip. It's got a padded rest for your forearm. And I did order the reverse rotation hollower. If I had gotten a normal rotation, the rest and the blade would have been switched. But I was watching a video from the Wyoming woodturner, and I'll put a link below to his channel. But he had talked about the advantage of having the reverse is it allowed you to see down much easier and to gauge that thickness than if you use the normal rotation. So, and it looks like you've got two places you can put the actual thickness gauge, the spring in, if you want those, either up front or here. And the bit, which you can adjust the angle, obviously with the Allen wrench, and decide if you want a straight on or a particular angle. So it looks to be fairly well made. So overall, again, within the box, you get the hollower, you get an Allen wrench for tightening, you get two thickness gauges, optional for the sharpening widget, an ad, some business cards, and a receipt.